It comes in a highly efficient compact size and has a 5-inch touchscreen display as well as physical buttons for maximum user convenience. Can process 20 currencies at max. Using the auto currency function, you can automatically count and summarize all the denominations of the currency detected, with the first counted note on the very bottom of the stacker. It has multi-currency counting function as well. Offers the most advanced counterfeit detection using its CIS, IR, MG, and UV sensors. Also efficiently separate damaged notes from regular notes and provide a detailed summary which is approved by ECB. You can also send and print serial numbers of the counted notes. Last info shows the serial number of the previous transaction through a text or image. Blacklist detects counterfeit notes of the blacklisted serial numbers. Count log sends or prints count logs. At value mode, it can count more than 1,000 notes per minute. The built-in dust collector will maintain the device clean.